Step 1, wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Yo, my guy, what's up? What's up? What's up?
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
All right. You know, okay, sure. I will send you your percentage immediately she arrives. Listen, you know the kind of woman I want. I don't want any overused girl with Charlie. Nah, you know me, your man, I get level. Yes. All right, sure. I believe you. I'll be waiting for her call. Charlie. Oh, that was up. I hear.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, hello. Please, this is the Hookup girl. I am standing right in front of the Apple Junction.
Oh, okay. There is a road to your left.
Okay.
Yes, you come straight.
Okay.
There is a heap of sand at the very entrance of a black gate.
Alright.
Yeah, that is my place. So you just walk through. It's not locked.
Okay, sure.
All right.
I'll be on my way.
Okay.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Hi, I'm a baby, so the Hookup girl.
Hey! Hookup girl where your name sounds to be a bebre. Hey, and the other bebre. Wait, you sound to the West spectacles too. Charlie, this one here. Don't be small sexual. Charlie, people carry hookup go different level. Sorry. Come inside.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. 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 Today's gonna be a good day. Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. 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 Today's gonna be a good day.
I hope you are ready.
Yeah, sure. Wait. Can you please close your eyes or turn your back for me to undress?
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Hurry. I'm in the mood.
I'm ready.
Today's gonna be a good day.
Hey. I am very romantic. I'm coming. Oh, you.
Aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some
Oh!
and if I make a mistake,
Who can get away your body to jump you like that?
do this every day.
What?
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. 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 Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer.
Where is it?
Still go, go, go.
I'm going for work. Let's go. Wake up. Get dressed.
You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter.
Look, I'm late.
That's why I
Hurry up,
say,
please.
fake it till you
I'm
make
late
it.
for work.
And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing. Sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this.
And who is your dear?
I feel so useless, I feel diluted. My heart's been wounded.
What are you doing here? No, how did you get the keys to my room?
I took them myself when I was leaving because I knew you wouldn't have given them to me by
Holy
accident.
crap! You took my keys
Yes.
without informing me.
You wouldn't have given them to me for Christ's sake.
And whose luggages are those?
They are mine.
How?
See, I am in love with you. I felt so much attracted to you from the very first time I saw you. And I want to be your girlfriend. I'm being serious here.
A hookup girl in love? You are not serious.
I am not a hookup girl.
Then who are you? A prostitute?
I am an amateur hookup girl. This is my first time, and you are my first client. And I'm in love with you.
Look, it's a lie.
I love you. No need to sleep with hookup girls. I'm here for you. You can have me anytime you want. And I'm not going to take a dime from you.
It's a lie. Oh, it's a lie. It's a lie! Now get your stuff and get the hell out of my room.
I'm not going anywhere.
I said, pack your stuff and leave my room. You think I am joking, right?
And what do you think you are doing?
I said, get your bags and leave my room. You thought I was joking.
I am in love with you.
You're in love with who?
I said I'm in love with you and I meant it. Are you serious?
Get out. Get out! Out! Go.
Yeah, no.
Go. Nonsense. Nonsense. What if she has put in any love charm in it for me to eat and fall in love with her? Or kill me? No. No. But I'm hungry. I'm hungry. It's good. In fact, this girl can really cook.
I'm never 16. You ate my food.
something masculine.